These 6 words are determining the trajectory of my life, and here's why. I'm Brian Ford. Welcome to Self-Improvement Daily. One of the most influential people in my self-growth and the concepts I've shared for years on the podcast is my mentor, Jim Bunch. He was the one that introduced me to the concept of living life by design, not by default. He taught me the ever-present influence your environment has on you. He helped me fine-tune my understanding about our belief system and how it gets expressed into the world. He helped me determine my core values as a person. And with all that said, there's still one thing I got from Jim that lives above all else. Jim has a mantra, a life philosophy that speaks to the core of what I'm here on earth to do. Change your life, change the world. Our purpose is to maximize our potential, to become the most conscious, authentic, best version of ourselves, so that we can maximize our impact. I'm committed to changing my life so that I can change the world in the way only I am capable of, and helping others do the same. It's so resonant for me that it echoes in the mission of the nonprofit I've started called the For Purpose Foundation. We're building a movement for people who want to change their life and change the world, and give them the resources, outlets, and support to achieve both. Our impact and our self-growth are more intricately connected than you might think. Both are dynamic processes that are never complete. They're ever-present intentions that guide our decisions. And they both interact with each other. Reaching the ceiling of our impact informs us on how we need to expand as an individual. It determines the direction of our growth, the skills and characteristics we need to develop in order to elevate our capacity to impact. You can't maximize your difference in the world without maximizing your potential. And you can't feel like you're using your potential to the fullest if it's not contributing to something bigger than yourself. I don't know that there are 2 things I feel more passionate about: changing my life and changing the world. And I plan to see just how far I can take both. It's a master intention that governs everything else. It dictates what I do on a daily basis to be the best man, husband, friend, family member, and collaborator I can be. It reminds me what all the hard work and sacrifice is for. It's even woven into the intro for my podcast because it's what I want you to hear every day. A better world starts with a better you, and yes, you can. Whether you realize it or not, you are already part of the movement. Welcome. Now let's get to work, changing our lives and changing the world. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.